guys, hope you're doing well. So in this lecture, we just want to know that whether the Python has been installed in our systems or not, right? So for this, we have to require CMD. Just type on the Windows start and just open it like this. And a command prompt window will be opened like this, right? On this, you just have to type Python and then right click and then press enter, right? What you are watching is that Python has been successfully installed. If the Python is not as successfully installed, then it will give you an error, but it is not giving you an error right now, right? So how to check that it is working or not? We'll just simply write a print statement over here. Let's type hi, right? So yes, of course, it is basically giving us the output of hi, right? So you might be wondering that why I told you to download the Atom text editor, right? Basically, in this program, we were just printing a particular small sentence that was hi. But if I'm talking about a large number of code, which requires thousands of lines, it actually requires a text editor to change or to edit our programming code if there is any error on it, right? So that's why we require the Atom text editor, right? So to open that Atom text editor, type on the start, that is Atom, and just open it. Now Atom would be open like this, as you can see my screen. Now Control plus N is a shortcut key to create a new file over here, right? And Control plus S is the shortcut key just to save your file. So in the intro, you can actually write first.py. So why I wrote it py over here, basically py is the extension for any Python program to be saved. So if we don't specify py in that particular program, only the Python program will not run. Then that's why basically we use py. So first.py is the extension so that our program will run well, right? So here I am going to print hi word, hi Kirti, right? Let us save it like this. We can also save it by pressing Control plus S, or you can also go through the file. If you want to create a new file, you can go to new file. If you want to save this file, you can go to save, Control plus S, right? Anywhere, whatever is suitable for you, you can do that. Then we will be opening CMD, that is command prompt. So in the command prompt, we will write CD. Why we'll write CD? Because it is called as a change directory. Now, as you can see my screen, first of all, you have to go to C drive. Then you will have to go to Python. And I have also made it a particular new folder inside Python, that is intro. And in this intro, my Python first file is actually stored. So basically that is the location of the file, that is C drive, then Python, then intro, right? So on the command prompt, I will be writing my particular directory where the file is saved, that is C drive, then Python, then intro. Okay, then we'll press enter. So now as you can see that it is basically a new directory path for a Python program. Now because my Python program was first.py, so we'll write the file of the program, the name of the file over here, and then we'll press enter. Now as I have pressed enter, you can see that it is execute hi Kirti. Okay, so now it shows that our Atom text editor is also working really well. So over here, as you can see that I have already typed a particular program that was of first.py. That was hi Kirti, that was the printing statement. And where I am executing it, that is in the command prompt. Like you can see over here that it is the output and the input I have given in the text editor. So you might be wondering that I have again used a text editor. Why? Because if I am going to write the huge program, then we use the text editor. But if only we have to write one or single code, we use command prompt after installing Python. Okay, so bye guys. Hope you're doing well and see you in the next lecture. Right?